I'm okay. Good morning, everyone. Trust we all are doing good. I'm Tio, and welcome to my day 33 video of the 100 Days of Thinking Analysis Challenge. So today I'll be looking at gold from like the top side because I believe there's a lot of controversy about this commodity. That's why I really decided to look at gold today. So let's dive right into it. So I'll just mark out the regular thing I do on the monthly time frame, mark out the major area of structure, then we proceed to price projections. Now, to me, this is like the most significant area of structure here. So, like the most significant area of structure is this level, and that's the 1,800 level in price. So, and it's also a institutional area of structure and price. I'm sorry about that. So, then after I can just mark out my the area properly with a box tool. So, mark this area out properly with the box tool and yes, we are good to go. So, um, now, the funny thing about gold, which I would really want to talk about, is now from its initiation, like since gold was placed on the chart, we've been having price project to the upside. So, looking for selling opportunities on gold would actually be like suicide because it's been flying crazy to the upside. So, why would you want to sell um a major trend that is bullish? Why would you want to look for sales on it? So that's like the most mistake people are making. They are looking for sales on it rather than looking for long positions on it. So with this known, we actually know that it's above an area of structure. So we'll be looking for long and not short. Now we can go to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see how price has been moving: impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, and series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. Now, the very interesting part about this is at every point in time, whenever price impulses to the upside to create the higher high, it corrects. And it's just like a confirmation that we are on a major uptrend. So saying you want to look for short on gold is really not a good idea. So my bias on gold is to actually go long. Now, I really want to know if going long on gold is a good idea. So I'll place my fib on here, and from my Fibonacci, I can see that when price impulsed to the upside, we had a correction with just one candle, and it rejected off the 50% fib level. That is like crazy confluence for me because of we understand that the 36 point the 38.2 fib level, the 50% fib level, the 61.8 fib level, and the 78.6 fib level are significant areas of structure when it comes to the Fibonacci. So seeing a reaction of the 50% fib level is like confluence for me, and it's actually right a little bit above structure. So it's like a significance that price will project to the upside. So with that known, I can go down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this was the significant low on the weekly time frame. But looking at the daily time frame, this is the significant low right here. Right here, just right here. Okay, yeah, so this was the significant low on the daily time frame, or this is the significant low of the daily time frame. And looking at it, we can see it is like it's rejected off the zone between the 61.8 and the 78.6 fib level. And also look at this. This is an indecision candle. And when this massive move to the downside occurred and price got to this level, when this indecision candle created, immediately we had like some sort of reversal, and also it created a morning star pattern right here, and price is actually projecting to the upside. Now on this time frame, there is actually another pattern here, but before I go into that, I'll just take off my fib because it's of no more relevance to me. I already know price rejected off a significant level on there, and it's real good. So looking closely, there is actually some sort of support and resistance here. There's an area of structure right here, like just here. Because watch closely, when price projected to the upside, it came here, acted as support, then price projected to the upside, then price broke through it, came here, acted as resistance, then it's acting as actually the if price does come back down here, it should act as support. And also, um if you look closely, this is a W pattern. Like looking closely, it's a W pattern. Just this, then this. So looking closely, it's a W pattern. Now, what do we expect from a W pattern? When it forms, price would actually project back to the net line before we project back in the direction of price, which is to the upside. So with that said, sorry. So with that said, so with that said, we actually expect price to project back to this area of structure right here. So what I'll do is I'll go down to the 4 hour time frame, and like I said, it's a W pattern. So I'll be watching price at this area of structure right here, at this level right here. So I'll be watching price. If price does dip back into this level, I'll be watching price and looking for reactions to go long on it. Now, this is a significant swing low, and I'll just like to put a fib on this to the significant swing high. And yes, it actually aligns between the 61.8 fib level and the 78.6 fib level. So if price does drop down into this level, I'll be looking for opportunities to go long on gold. So to the 1 hour time frame, we can see how well we have this M pattern formation right here. So if price does complete this M pattern, we expect push to the upside back to this neckline here. A push to this neckline, this area of structure here. So if this push does happen, we can now expect price to project down further to this previous area of structure before I start looking for buying opportunities. So taking this off and back to the daily time frame, actually we're looking for opportunities to go long on gold. So I'll be looking to buy gold if this whole setup does meet my trading criteria. So I hope you learned a thing or two from this price projection, and if you do, please do smash the like button, and also please do follow, subscribe. Thank you.